Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is ninth, and I've passed my Quant Tekel trading challenge in just 7 days. Yeah, that's for the year in just 7 days. All right, so let me go to my Quant Tekel dashboard. So this is my Quant Tekel dashboard. I initially purchased an account, a $10,000 account. So I breached that. It wasn't up to my profit tithe or my maximum loss limit. So I opened a VPN on my phone, connected to the VPN, and used the VPN on some site. I forgot to close or quit the VPN, and I mistakenly opened the MetaTrader 5 whilst the VPN was on, and I was marked as breached. So they asked me to contact the customer service for another account, and they gave me a Trade Locker account, which was this one. Trade Locker was new to me, and I hated that, so I traded recklessly on this account just to fill or breach the account and purchase a new one on a fresh month and start trading. So as you can see, this was a rough trade, rough trade, rough trade, rough trade. This wasn't an actual trade. I used some crazy lot sizes. As you can see, 106 minus 5, 115, 98, 128. When I saw this one was in profit, I closed it just to get to a loss. And I opened another one. Here is it. You see, 102, 89, 98. So I lost this account on the fifth day. Alright. And I purchased a new one. Here is it. So my win rate is 70% for the account. I traded 5 days out of the 4 days they wanted. I traded 5 days, and my equity was 10,812.89 US dollars, which is I made 102% target. They wanted 8%, so for the 8%, which is 100%, for that 8%, I made 102%, which is 8.12.89. So my first trading day, I took a 1% loss. This was a break even, and this one, actually, this trade, I didn't read the market structure well, so it was somehow like lucky win because the trade went close to my stop loss. Let me see if I can find it in my template. As you can see, got out safely with break even. So entered again. This one I was at break even on 0.06%, $0.06. Yeah. So I think this one was it. As you can see, G. I got out safely, oh, guys. But I entered again because of fear of missing out without any sort of confirmation when I knew it was a sharp replacement. Nearly got stopped out. It was also a New York session, which is mostly a reversal, but it's not always a reversal. But if your trading strategy aligns with New York session and it reverses, then it's actually a good trade. Like it might be a good trade here. Dollar appeared to weak in a 2 p.m. news. So this was it. This was a trade. As you can see, it went close to my stop loss. I got a lucky win of 1.22%. So this one, I got stopped out on my stop loss trail. Trade actually won at a 3 risk to reward. Yeah, this was it. See, Trade 1 at a 3R. This was the trade. This was the trade. A sniper entry. Yeah. So here's where I got stopped out. It came down, it went up again. I was doing an aggressive stop loss trail below each candlestick formation. So I got stopped out at 2.09%. Yeah, that's a stop loss trail. And this one won at a 3.27%. Loss at a 1%. This one was a break even. Yeah, alright. Let me see. See you. It's reversed, but I got stopped out. So the $94, let me check. 0.95, here is it. The trade actually won for that 0.9%. Here is it. This one was backed by some news. The news came in for the US dollar, which pushed the trade to win. So this one was my stop loss trail. Here was it. It took me out, won. It was cool. It was cool because that's part of trading, alright. That's the nature of trading. Yeah. So this one was a break even, and this is a loss. So I closed this one manually because I went up to read the profit target. So I had to close it manually without going for the 3 rows to reward, but it actually won. Yeah, this is it. I stopped it. I manually stopped it, but the trade won. This is the trade. Yeah, this is the trade. It actually won, but I stopped it manually because I was up my 8%. So I had to. So moving to the next challenge, which I won in just 2 days. The first day I made 3% in just 45 minutes of trading, and this one was a break even, a loss. I closed this trade manually. I was up 546.55 here. So I closed them manually, and I opened this trade, which gave me a loss of $19.62 on the 11th, to just make it up to the 4 days. So I won't trade for the day. I'll take another trade tomorrow, and I'll risk this 26.93 for that trade to make it 4 out of 4 trading days. So actually I got 80% win rate for that 5% profit target, but due to this loss gave me 67%. So I'll probably lose this 26.97 tomorrow because I won't follow my strategy. I'll just open the trade and raise that amount. Yeah, it will be 50% or 55 or somewhere. Yeah, somewhere 50% plus. So I'll open a trade for today. I'll open it tomorrow. Make it out 4 out of 4, then get funded. So I've passed my Quant Tekel challenge in probably say 7 days, 7 trading days, because I passed this one in 5 out of 4 or 5 days. Yeah, and I've passed this trading stage 2 trading challenge 2 in just 2 days, which is 7. Yeah, 7 days. So I'll raise this $26 tomorrow to get funded tomorrow. Then I'll start my actual trading journey. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to join my Telegram channel. I'll be posting some charts and trades there. And if you want to learn about trading, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I trade smart money concept. So I'll be teaching those interested in learning about the smart money concept.